Introducing Rapid Reviewer built right into Mathspace. As an instructor, you will visit the EquatIO Dashboard. Select Assignments. Select the assignment you wish to score. Click on a student whose Mathspace you want to view. Notice on the right-hand side of your screen the new and improved workflow we are excited to introduce to EquatIO users. The left and right arrow will allow you to quickly navigate from one student assignment to the next. You may also select the down arrow and pull up your entire class list. From the drop-down, you can quickly get from one student's digital response to the next by selecting whomever you wish. A blue dot next to the student will indicate that the student has opened the assignment but is yet to submit. We are thrilled to give you a navigation pane that will not only allow you to quickly view submissions, but you can also rapidly enter scores or give feedback to your students. Underneath the scoring window, you will find a dedicated feedback box, which will allow you to enter text feedback to the student. Enter a score and feedback for the student, and then press the Send Feedback button before moving on to the next submission, so the grade and feedback is saved. Notice that the icon will turn green, indicating that the score and feedback have been stored. Click the arrow to advance to the next assignment. Students will have access to their score and feedback from their personal EquatIO student dashboard. Students will visit the same website as teachers, equatio.texthelp.com. Select Submitted Assignments. Students can then click on the assignment for which they want to see their teacher feedback or to view their score. I scored the same 11 student submissions in the previous Mathspace workflow. In the old workflow, it took me 6 minutes, but using the new workflow, I provided identical feedback and it took me under 2 minutes to score the submissions. This is a 66% reduction in time. One of the best things we can offer our users are tools that save teachers and students time. Time is critical and valuable, and we believe this product enhancement will ultimately give you more time either with your students or time at home with your family. Stay tuned for future updates inside Mathspace.